Happy first day of school! Good morning guys and welcome back to the vlog channel. Today is my first day of in-person junior year. If you guys have not been keeping up with my main channel, Katie's Corner, or this vlog channel, basically my school started online a month ago and we are starting phase 3 of going back to school, which is 1 day a week of in-person school. This is my first day of like actual school. It's 7:10 right now. I woke up at 7. I just had to run all the way upstairs to get toothpaste because I ran out of toothpaste. This is gonna be my first like real school vlog of my junior year, which is so freaking weird. I'll talk about it as I'm getting ready, but if you're new here, subscribe for my first day of school vlog. It's fall time, so we're gonna get some really fun fall Instagram photos soon. I've already had some fall photos, so go check those out. And it's cheer season. Cheer vlog is going up on my channel, my main channel today, actually, my first varsity game. Let's just do this thing. I have way too much energy for it being 7 a.m. and for the time that I went to bed last night. We are starting with eyebrows. Basically, how my school is doing it is we are doing 25% of the school each day, and it goes by last name. Monday, obviously today, is last names A to D. My last name's DeCort, so I go today with everyone else that's last names from A to D. So it is only 25% of max capacity, and we have to wear a mask the entire time. Obviously, our lunch, apparently everyone has to like face the same way. You can't like face each other's at tables, which is weird. I have off-campus lunch, so I can leave if I want to. I have no idea how today is gonna go because it's my first day of school. I haven't like been inside the school going actively to classes since March when they let us out, but I've been to the school for cheer practice and watching games and stuff. Teachers are gonna be wearing masks and face shields, and since it's still 25% of the school, everything's still online and they're going to be still streaming to the rest of the kids that are not in the class. Right now, of like my friends, I only know Jamie is going and Jack is going, and I'm actually Jack's ride. Jack's one of my best friends and he lives right next to me, so I'm taking him to school along with my brother Chase. Out of like all my friends, those are the only people I for sure know are going. Also, it's getting cold, which is so exciting. It was 66 degrees yesterday. And Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 52 degrees Fahrenheit.
50 degrees right now, which is so weird. It hasn't been like cold yet until the past like 3 days. It started getting chillier. I'm wearing leggings. I have not worn leggings since I'm pretty sure like my last day of school. I'm really glad it's only 1 day a week just so I can experiment and see if I enjoy this. Like I said, I just don't know how this is gonna go. We had to go like do a drive-through and get our parking passes and get our off-campus stickers because you guys know I leave the school very early. I only have 4 on-campus classes. You guys are probably tired of watching me do my eyebrows. I'm done with them, I think. I don't know. I'm winging this. I didn't brush my hair. I didn't do anything. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna do a lot of makeup. I think I'm just gonna do mascara and maybe some bronzer and highlighter and call it a day. Since I'm gonna be wearing a mask, no one's gonna be seeing this part of my face, so it just doesn't matter. That's good. It hides the ugly. Let me know your guys' school situation in the comments. I'm really interested. Are you guys back in school full time? Are you a few days a week? Are you fully virtual? Did you have the option? Like, what is the plan? I'm interested. I'm really curious because I feel like every school is taking it differently, taking different precautions, allowing different things. I'll see you guys when I'm done at getting ready with my makeup. Then we'll brush my hair, put some deodorant on, and get a move on. So I'm done getting ready and I'm putting my outfit on now. It's 7:40 and I told my brother that we'd be leaving the house at 7:40, but school doesn't start till 8:20. And I live 10 minutes away, so we should be fine. But I'm gonna show you guys the full outfit of the day once I am done putting my shoes on. Obviously, you guys can see some of the fit. I'm really excited about it. It gives me such fall vibes. I really need to take Instagram pictures in it, and if I don't take any today, then I'm gonna rewear the outfit and take photos in it. It's so cutie. Let me put the sock on, and then I'll show you guys the full fit of the day. I'm spraying perfume. This is the one that I wear during fall, and it's the only time I change it, and it's Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte from Bath & Body Works. This smells so good. So good. Come be in my vlog.
Dude, we have to go.
Dude, school starts at 8:20. We have 40 minutes. Here is the outfit of the day. I'm just wearing this white cropped tank, and then I thrifted this flannel. It's really, really big, and I like how like oversized it is. Because the shirt is a crop top, I just buttoned one of them, and it looks pretty cool. Then I'm just wearing some black leggings from Amazon, some white Nike socks, and then my red Converse to match the red in the flannel. That is the fit of the day, and now we're headed to school. Are you just gonna stand in the background and not say anything? Okay, sounds good. First time driving the Mini to like actually go to school. I drive the Mini all the time to go to cheer practice, but not to school. Oh, I need to put my parking pass out. So we just pulled up to Jack's. He should be getting in the car any second, but it is now 7:55. School starts in 25 minutes, but y'all, I got my parking pass. I can show you this much. It says my name in the car that I drive, and it's first come, first serve for phase 3 parking. So I just gotta hope I get a close spot. It's really chilly out and it's 52 degrees and it feels so good.
She has the windows rolled down.
I have the windows rolled down. I always have the windows rolled down, but I'm feeling very fall right now. Jack needs to hurry up. Let's go!
What?
Okay, flannel.
You vlogging?
Yes.
No way. I know, right? I'm so tired.
Okay, flannel.
Shut up. Oh, you have one too.
Yes. No, school, first day, Caiti carpool. I'm excited. Why is no one else excited? We're back. Excuse me, cafeteria freshman year vibes. We're in school now in the cafeteria. We had to enter through the cafeteria, which is so weird because normally it's through the front desk, but here's my ID. Jack didn't get one because he's a bad student. And Chase left his phone in my car, so he's going to get his phone. Okay, I'm gonna record the cafeteria. There's like no one here. Culinary.
Anyways, so let's get the. I'm trying to make an easy class for you guys today. Here. Caiti. Caiti.
Here.
Have you picked your teams?
Hi guys.
All right, who is doing what?
There's Van.
What's going on here?
Alright,
There's
so
Jamie.
Canada's Alex
There's
Estrada,
Noah.
Katie, Jamie, and Miles.
On screen.
Nelson Center,
On screen.
Avery.
And do you have any?
So we're in the studio now, and it's really dark in here. This is the most people I've had in one of my classes. Thanks, Noah! Oh, you turned the light on for me. Guys, this gives me flashbacks. PTSD of when I filmed announcements here every year, or every day last year. Every day. Yeah. Just don't say anything. Leave! That was not me. I'll leave Noah to clean that mess. Maybe this is why he doesn't want me back here. Since when do we have a red chair?
Wait, why did you?
It's kind of epic.
Oh, Halloween.
I'm sitting in Tracy. It's so cold in here. You're obviously in the morning show class. This is both of our last classes. Yay. And then we are going to lunch with Van at Zaxby's. We have 2 lunches. We both have B lunch, but after this, then our day is over, so it's pretty chill.
Sleep and then figure out that video.
Oh yeah, we have a project due in this class today that both Jamie and I just have not started. You can do be kind and I'll be like, be happy.
Bye.
Bye.
Dude, I'm gonna go mute.
Jamie lost her voice at the game and it's getting worse. I lost mine and now it's getting better.
It's getting worse because
Your throat.
my tonsils.
Homegirl had strep.
Yeah.
Stay away.
No,
COVID.
I don't have COVID.
She got the Rona. This camera. We get the MacBook. We get the TV and the ring light.
I love the setup.
Miser, I'm showing my vlog your setup.
I like the lighting.
The lighting. Blinded by the light. So I just got home and my day just like got rough. Basically, I like needed to get this sticker and I don't even know, like there was a drama about me getting this sticker to be able to leave for off-campus lunch. I got the sticker, but it took a really long time. I had to talk to my guidance counselor and then some drama happened. I don't know. I'm not in a very good mood now. It's also like really pretty outside and I want to be outside and hang out with people, but drama. So I'm just gonna chill at home. I'm probably gonna talk to my mom just because I need to talk to somebody. I like cried driving home because I was upset. I don't think I've ever cried in a YouTube video before. I just want to say that like it's okay if not every day is really good. Ew, I hate to cry in a YouTube video. Like that's so stupid. I never want to be that person. It's okay to have ups and downs in your days. I want to show you guys that like my life isn't perfect and I feel a lot of emotions. I pretty much only share my emotions on YouTube when I'm happy or having a good day, but like not every day is a good day. So I want to share that and that's okay. I don't want to cry on YouTube because I don't want to be like those pity YouTubers and I don't want anyone to feel pity. Just remember, it's okay. Your emotions are valid and you're allowed to have not great days. I'm gonna go cry to my mom now. Oh my gosh. It's now 6:30 and I'm working out and I just ran my cardio. I ran a mile. Y'all, I just did my fastest mile time ever. 7 minutes and 52 seconds. That's really exciting for me. 7 minutes and 52 seconds. Before that, it was 8:07. So that means I cut it down by a lot, which is really exciting. Feeling a lot better. Obviously, I'm still out of breath because I just finished. I did all the schoolwork that I had to do today that I didn't finish at school or homework, except I have one project that I'll probably start later tonight. Since this is like a day in the life video, you guys know I work out religiously, and whenever I'm like stressed or anxious or sad up here, doing like physical things gets my mind off of it because I focus on like that. Feeling really good. I'm gonna do my abs and booty now with the weights. Look at those muscles Just kidding, I really don't have arm muscles, but I do got big leg muscles. I'll pride myself on that. So I just went on a walk around my neighborhood, like the full neighborhood, and that was really nice. That was like 15 minutes of pure joy for me. It's 67 degrees out, so the temperature is perfect. And since I'm wearing leggings, like it's not too hot, it's not too cold. I had my AirPods in and I was listening to like fall music. I don't know if that makes any sense. Certain songs trigger certain seasons for me, so, and certain artists, so that's what I was listening to. I came back because my phone was dead, so I wanted to charge it, but I think I'm gonna go walk around some more, literally do the same loop just because it's absolutely beautiful outside, but I want my phone to charge so I can listen to more music. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my phone charging. I don't think I'm gonna bring my camera just because this is like Caiti time. You guys know, had a little bit of a breakdown today. It's okay, all good, everyone has them, but I just need some alone time, and it's absolutely beautiful outside. I wish I could show you guys. I really don't have a great view from my window, but maybe you guys can see. It's just beautiful. The lighting, the weather, the temperature, everything. Getting exercise is important. Physical and mental health are both equally as important, so make sure that you're doing stuff for you today. If you're not gonna do it for yourself, you can't do it for anybody else. There's Caiti. Hey, tell a shawty come here.